Think you've seen every camping gadget out there? Think again. These 29 secret Amazon finds are transforming the outdoors. From motion-detecting security sensors to two-story inflatable tents. Adventure awaits and you don't want to miss it. Hit like, subscribe, and watch closely. These gadgets will blow your mind. Radar motion detector. When you're deep in the wild, the scariest threats are the ones you don't hear coming. That's where the radar motion detector becomes your invisible guardian. Compact sensors are placed around your tent, campsite, or vehicle, and the instant they detect movement, whether from a person or wildlife, they send a real-time alert straight to your handheld receiver. No Wi-Fi, no tangled wires, no complex setup, just instant protection, fully battery-powered and designed for multi-day use. Once the trip is over, sensors cleverly snap back into the receiver for easy charging and storage. Built for rugged outdoor survival, these sensors are waterproof, dust-resistant, and offer a detection range wide enough to cover even large campsites. Whether a bear is sniffing your cooler or a stranger approaches in the dark, you'll know before it's too late. This isn't just a gadget, it's nighttime peace of mind. For campers who refuse to become prey, this is an absolute must-have. Xeno Nest Air Tent. Forget cramped sleeping bags and low ceilings. The Xeno Nest Air Tent redefines outdoor comfort. A two-story inflatable shelter. It gives you a spacious living area on the first floor and a private bedroom above. With modular zip-off panels, you can switch from open airflow to total privacy in seconds. Its exposed air beam technology keeps moisture and mold at bay while remaining ultra-durable. The tent can withstand winds up to 45 miles per hour, and it's designed to fit up to 6 campers comfortably. At just 55 pounds, it's lightweight enough to transport, proving you don't need to sacrifice comfort to explore the wild. Camper Disco Stove. Meet the Camper Disco Stove, the ultimate outdoor culinary powerhouse. Inspired by traditional plow disc cookers from the Southwest, it features a 16-inch cast iron skillet and an 8,455 BTU burner, perfect for searing steaks, frying vegetables, or cooking tacos under the stars. Its collapsible tripod allows for both campfire cooking and standalone setups. Adjustable height and modular design make it perfect for group cooking or even dual-fuel operation. This stove turns your campsite into a gourmet outdoor kitchen, making every meal an experience. AeroPress Go. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The AeroPress Go is a compact, portable coffee maker that brews 8 ounces of barista-quality coffee anywhere outdoors. With precise control over water, coffee, and pressure, it produces a rich, smooth cup every time. It's perfect for hiking trips, car camping, or early morning mountain adventures. Lightweight, durable, and easy to pack, the AeroPress Go ensures you'll never sacrifice quality coffee, even in the wilderness. Lovor 7-in-1 Modular Lantern. Why carry multiple devices when one gadget does it all? The Lovor 7-in-1 Modular Camping Lantern lights up your campsite with dimmable RGB LEDs, a 500 lumen spotlight, and 2 flashlight modes. But that's just the beginning. It transforms into a portable fan, 10-watt air pump, Bluetooth speaker, and even a mosquito-repelling unit. Its 5,000 mAh battery doubles as a power bank, keeping your devices charged while keeping the bugs away. Compact, magnetic, and fully modular, it's one lantern, 7 lifesavers. Perfect for campers who want to light, cool, and entertain without overpacking. UAM Origin 800 Power Station. The UAM Origin 800 is a modular, high-power portable station built for off-grid adventures. With swappable batteries, you can keep the power flowing non-stop. Each battery works independently, doubling as a personal power bank for mobility. Delivering 800 watts AC output and 13 charging ports, it can power lights, drones, laptops, and even mini-fridges simultaneously. With AI voice control, yes, you can literally talk to your power station. Add modular accessories like lamps or cup coolers, and it transforms into a fully customized outdoor energy hub. Whether you're deep in the forest or riding out a blackout, the Origin 800 keeps everything charged, connected, and adventure-ready. OSIT battery-powered spit roaster. Be the king of camp cooking with the OSIT spit roaster. It can roast up to 8 kilograms of meat, enough for 20 hungry campers. Its adjustable lever system lets you control distance from the fire, while its efficient motor delivers 30 hours of continuous roasting on just 2 D-cell batteries. Made from 304 stainless steel, It's built for durability and easy cleaning. Optional accessories like prongs, grills, and baskets allow cooking everything from ribs to whole chickens. Fast setup, easy teardown, and a carry bag make it completely portable. This is more than a cooking tool, it's a mobile feast machine. Climate Climaloft Sleeping Pad. Cold, hard ground is no longer a problem. The Climate Climaloft Sleeping Pad combines plush foam for warmth and air chambers for support and elevation. The foam topper covers 2/3 of the pad, providing insulation and noise reduction. Eye-shaped air channels stabilize the pad for restless nights. Lightweight, compact, and 3-season ready, it packs into its included stuff sack for hiking or car camping. No more sore backs. No more cold nights. Just smooth, uninterrupted sleep in the wilderness. Beavercraft AX1 Hatchet. When nature gets tough, the Beavercraft AX1 Hatchet is your go-to tool. Forged from 1066 high-carbon steel, its 2.95-inch blade splits wood, clears brush, and limbs trees effortlessly. The 10-inch ashwood handle is ergonomically curved to reduce fatigue, and hand-blackened steel resists corrosion and friction. Compact enough to carry on a belt, it's strong enough to be your only cutting tool for years. Small, savage, and ready for any wilderness challenge. MSR Windburner Stove. Cooking in the wild doesn't wait for calm weather. The MSR Windburner Stove is windproof and high performance, boiling water in minutes. Its enclosed burner locks in heat even during gusty conditions. Durable and compact, it nests neatly for transport. Expanded duo and combo versions allow simmering or cooking for multiple people. This stove is trusted by serious backpackers when weather turns hostile because hunger waits for no one. In-camp food, prep folding knife. Every outdoor chef needs precision, and the in-camp food prep knife delivers. With a 5-inch stainless steel blade and ergonomic beechwood handle, it slices, chops, and minces any ingredient with ease. The folding design allows safe storage in a pocket or pack. Lightweight, durable, and designed for outdoor kitchens, it gives you professional-level control anywhere. Yakima CBX Solar Rooftop Cargo Box. The Yakima CBX Solar Box combines storage and off-grid power. A 36-watt solar panel charges devices while driving or at camp. Low profile, lightweight, and easy to mount, it reduces road noise and increases fuel efficiency. Store your gear and power your electronics simultaneously, perfect for off-grid adventurers. Ignit Gas Growler. Say goodbye to disposable propane bottles. The Ignit Gas Growler is refillable, holding 5 standard propane bottles and certified for 12 years. The kit includes a durable tank, padded carrying case, and hose compatible with any stove. Lightweight, reusable, and sustainable, it's perfect for eco-conscious campers. Cook smarter, camp greener. From high-tech tents to portable stoves, smart power stations, and eco-friendly gear, these 29 Amazon camping gadgets transform every adventure. Which one would you pack first? Comment below, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the coolest outdoor gear and next-level camping hacks.